Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking. Show is amazing to be in the kitchen one more time, guys. Giving you your favorite dishes for your love. But we want to simply say to you, what is your 2016 resolution with Chef Ricardo cooking? Anyway, you want to lose some weight, or you want to be looking healthy, or you want to be fit, you want to be strong, or I don't know. Share your idea with Chef Ricardo on the YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the cooking show. So we are talking about what is your 2016 resolution for this year. Hopefully it's something great, something fantastic, something which can change your whole entire life. Are you looking for something which is a brand, something which is, you know, maybe you said this year this is what you want to do. This year is what you're looking forward to. You're gonna fill all of those gaps which you didn't do last year. Probably someone might want to say, you know what, I'm just gonna go in a full relationship with God. You know, you never know. So can you share some idea with Chef Ricardo on the YouTube channel? Let Chef Ricardo know what. I don't know what you think, guys, but you know what I mean, that's me. My resolution for 2016, I want my life to be better. You know what I mean, I want to be more closer to God. There's so many things on the agenda for 2016. What is your agenda for 2016? What is the resolution for 2016? Let Chef Ricardo know. Share it with me. You know what I mean? Write something below that others can learn. And hopefully this video will be a benefit to you and also help someone else. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show, and see you next time.